The feeling of winter has intensified due to the influence of fog. In this situation, rain is likely to occur in several parts of the country, including Dhaka, for 2 days. However, the temperature may increase slightly during this period, the Bangladesh Meteorological Department (BMD) forecasted. Meteorologist Abul Kalam Mullik said that the weather across the country may remain dry with temporarily partly cloudy skies on January 30. However, light rain or drizzle may occur in Dhaka, Sylhet and Mymensingh divisions, including Kishoreganj and Kumilla on January 31 and February 1. The meteorologist also said that light rain or drizzle may occur in 1 or 2 places in Kumilla region, Mymensingh, Dhaka and Sylhet divisions until 9 am on January 31. Along with this, the night temperature may increase by 1 to 2 degrees Celsius across the country. As of the same time on February 1, rain is likely to occur in 1 or 2 places in Kishoreganj and Kumilla regions as well as in Mymensingh and Sylhet divisions. However, during this period, light to moderate fog will prevail across the country from late night to morning as before. The night temperature across the country may remain almost unchanged and the day temperature may increase slightly. Desk report, Bangladesh Guardian.